So we've learned that volume equals base area times height of a rectangular prism, or volume equals the length and the width, so length times height, because length times width equals base area. So let's put this into application. We have this first structure right here. I need to figure out these three components, my length, my width, and my height, in order to figure out my overall volume. We know that length is this front-facing side. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My length is going to equal 5. My width is going to be how many cubes backward from the front face it goes. So how many layers deep, where the width is the backward layers. We have 1, 2. So our width is 2 centimeters. Finally, we need our height. How tall is our structure? Or how many layers are stacked on top of each other? We have 1, 2 again. Oops, I'm writing H. Meant to write 2. But now we need to figure out our volume. We know volume equals length times width times height. So we're going to put in our numbers. Volume equals, my length was 5. We have 5 times my width was 2 times my height, which was also 2. So we have 5 times 2 is 10 times my other 2 is going to get me 20. So my volume is 20. Okay, let's try this next one down here. We know we have our length. Our length is how many cubes? 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 centimeters. Let's record that information. Okay. We know we need our width. Is this my width? No. Is this my width? No, because that's already length. Width is how many deep or how many backward I'm going. So my width is 1, 2. 2 centimeters. Okay, and let's do our height, because it's the last thing we need for our formula. Our height, or how tall our structure is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 centimeters. So now let's multiply to get our volume. We have volume equals length, 3, times my width, which is 2, times my height, which is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 4 equals 24. So this second structure has a volume of 24 centimeters cubed. And that does work because it is larger than this one up here. It's time for you to try this on your own.